are approaching retirement much faster than what you'd like to. And this is due to the fact that you are not ready for it financially, or perhaps you're already retired and in that situation. I've got something really exciting I want to share with you. First of all, my name is Jennifer, and I was in that situation, and I know how scary that can be. Worrying about things, all those what ifs. What if I get sick and I need special medical attention and I don't have any medical aid? What if my car breaks down? What if? All those concerns. Or you have kids that live overseas and you're thinking to yourself, when am I ever going to be able to see them? Or even, will I ever see them again? Now, that is a horrible thing to contemplate. Well, what I did is in my desperation, I went searching online. I looked everywhere. I searched and searched until I came across this blueprint, a simple blueprint that gives you step-by-step instructions of what to do. It taught me how to do my income earning activities in just 2 hours a day. So it freed up my time to do the things that I love and to do the things that I've been wanting to do for ages. And it taught me how to attract daily paying customers. And I earn 100% profit. Now imagine, just picture this. What would your life look like? How would that change things for you? So if you'd like to know how this blueprint works, put ready in the comments and I'll get the details to you.